So I'm back to mining Dogecoin again. Actually, it's not really making a lot of money, just a couple of bucks, and the electricity costs are higher, so it's not really profitable. I'm really losing more. But the thing is that I don't really want to purchase it like from Coinbase because I gotta pay a fee on Coin. It's kind of like, you know, paying the fee and then transferring it from the Coinbase account to my ledger. That's also a fee there, you know, transferring the Dogecoin. So pretty much I'm going to be losing some money there anyway. So I decided to just start mining the Dogecoin instead. But I'm still going to be losing some money. I don't know the exact amount, but a few bucks, I guess. Yeah, I'm not sure. So currently I got these are the miners, because I sold some equipment but not all of it. But I still have these 3 machines over here mining Dogecoin, all of these 3. Okay, those have 6 GPUs each, and those are pretty much 1660 supers. Not all of them, but some of them are. And also I have these 2 machines here. Okay, so I kept these machines. I also have the other machines for mining. What do you call it? The avian coin and the what is it? Reptilium coin, right? Reptilium coin, right? So, but I kept those machines. I only took down pretty much like 1.5 or something like that, because I have 3 GPUs here. Got rid of the rest there. I'm trying to get faster GPUs. I got a couple of faster ones. These are like my 3060s right here. All of these. This is like my fastest machine here. So I've been trying to like get rid of some of the 1660 supers and get faster machines. And but I was thinking about getting what do you call it? Some of these bad boys here, these NVIDIA A2000s, the PNY ones, because these don't waste that much power. They're about 70 watts. I think it's about 40 mega hashes around there. But compared to my my other ones, which are the 3060s over here, the GeForce RTX 3060s, these are 49 mega, roughly 49, 50 mega hashes, pretty much all of these. So, but these run a lot of power, about 120 watts each. So I think I'm pretty much better off just getting those A2000s, and right now that I can get them really cheap at $100 and something. And I remember when I bought that one that I have there, I paid about $600 for that one GPU. That's when the market was up. But I'm thinking about getting one. I've been eyeing one of them for like $150, but I'm not 100% sure, you know, because you know right now things are pretty rough, you know, with the profit. But so basically that's what I'm doing now. I'm mining. I did buy a few dollars worth of Dogecoin, so I'm thinking about just really holding Dogecoin, some Bitcoin, and possibly Cardano. That's something that I'm going to start doing now, you know. But right now I have just Dogecoin, and I'm just mining Dogecoin, and I think every week I'm going to purchase a little bit of Dogecoin as well, because like I said, the miners, I'm losing a little bit of money on running these miners. But I do, you know, I turn them on. Sometimes I'll turn 2 off or something like that, you know, and then I'll just, depending, you know, because right now they're mining, they're actually mining, what do you call it? They're on the, forgot what it's called. Forgot that coin. I forgot the coin, whatever. Because these are connected to the unminable, and these are mining. I can't even remember. I can't actually remember. Let me look at my damn phone. What is that? I'm losing my mind. Let me look. Look, which coins are these? Okay, Ethereum Classic. Got stuck there for a little bit. Got a brain fart, brain freeze. So these are mining Ethereum Classic and being converted into Dogecoin. So that's what I've been doing, So like sometimes I'll just have 2 of them running, and then I'll turn 3 on like that, depending on the cost. If it goes down under 20, I'll maybe shut it down. The cost of the Ethereum Classic. But like I said, it's not actually profitable right now, but I'm just going to be collecting some of the coins, make these machines make some coins just to have something to make them, because if I buy them, like I said, from Coinbase, I would have to pay for a fee. Sometimes it's $2.99 depending how much am I purchasing, whatever, $3 up to $5 depend. And then on top of that, I would have to move it from Coinbase to my ledger, and that's going to cost me money too to move that. I've been storing everything on my ledger now. But so I decided to just do it this way, because it just goes straight to my ledger, no fees whatsoever. Well, except the unminable fee, which whatever percentage they charge to mine, to do the mining. But it's less than doing it the other way. But still, it's not actually that profitable. But so that's pretty much it. That's the update on my crypto situation here. And I didn't want to sell the machines. I basically sold all of the 1060s or whatever that I had. I got rid of those because I'm trying to scale up to faster ones, more energy saving ones, like these 1660 supers. I'm gonna keep them, but I would like to get rid of these and just get something a little faster. But market is right now is oversaturated with GPUs. I'm not gonna get rid of my GPUs that cheap right now. And that's pretty much it, guys. So that's it for the video, guys. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is not financial advice. This is something I'm doing, and I am out. Peace.